Ro, welcome to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Justine.
Hi.
You guys know Justine. We have made so many videos together. But if you are new to my channel, I'm gonna be putting her links down below. So go check her out, show her some love. She's amazing. Subscribe. She does all sorts of things. What have you been doing lately?
Oh my goodness.
Tech
Lots
reviews.
of tech stuff. Yeah, there's been so much tech news.
She got one of those flamethrowers that are not called flamethrowers.
It's not a flamethrower.
From the Boring Company.
Well, you're gonna have to come over and we can do another cooking video because I've been doing some flamethrower cooking.
We can make a huge creme brulee. We can melt a bunch of crayons. Also, if you are new to the channel and would like to show some support, click subscribe and ding the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Also, you guys, give this video a thumbs up if you were happy to see Justine and Ro back together again, making some silliness happen. So let's start this video, Pancake Art Challenge. The theme is going to be emojis.
Ooh.
But summer emojis.
Summer emojis.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing 5 rounds. We'll have 1 minute to create our pancake art, and then we'll show it to you guys, and you guys can choose in the comments below who won each round.
So should I pick one now?
Yeah, pick the first one. What is it, Justine?
Oh, a little umbrella on an island.
Ooh, private island for 1. Ready?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set. Decorate, decorate,
oh
decorate.
gosh, I'm already nervous.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay, so this is the first time I've ever done this before.
This is just too
This
hot.
is super hot. Should I turn it down?
I'm really sweaty right now. Okay, this kind of looks like sand.
This is actually
Oh,
really,
this is pink. Oh,
really
no.
fun.
I meant red.
I am enjoying this so much.
How's it coming over there?
I think it's okay. How much time do we have?
Oh, no. Oh, no, my screen went black.
No!
My screen went black. It's on a timer. Oh, no.
No,
Oh,
come on.
That's
No! That could not be. This is my first time. This
Now
is
we're
so
gonna
fun.
flip them. And don't worry, Justine is not cheating. We said we could finish our umbrellas.
Yeah, this is the first one that I've ever done. So this is a good test. Now I know how long a minute was.
Get your little
That looks
spatula.
really good.
And then flip it over. It broke. Do you have batter all over you? Because I do. I have
You do?
blue.
How did you even do that?
Justine, look at this.
What?
Look at this. Can you see my pants?
Yeah, did you? I mean,
This is so, look what I've done. So let us know in the comments below who won round 1.
so now it's your turn to draw because I picked the first one.
Okay, here we go. What is our next summertime emoji? Shades.
Love it.
On your mark, get set, decorate.
Okay,
go,
okay,
go,
okay.
go, go, go.
Oh boy, oh
right.
boy. Okay.
Here we go, here we go,
okay,
here
okay.
we go. And we gotta get the, oh, these are really difficult. Okay, gotta get the shades just right. They gotta look like ribbons.
I'm focusing. Oh shoot, I already messed up.
I gotta do a really good circle now. Oh, is that too much forehead?
30 seconds. Oh
Oh my gosh, I'm already done.
no. Me too.
Oh, that was smart. You did like the brown, because it's a brown mouth.
Looks like a hot dog.
His
mouth.
It kind of does look like a hot dog. Okay, let's see here.
Oh.
Oh, it's still a little floppy.
Oh!
Oh no, I ripped it. Oh no, too soon. Oh no.
Oh.
His head came off a little bit. And let's see what
That looks pretty good.
he looks, this is perfect for the summertime because it looks like he's been out in the sun a little too long.
Yeah, he got a little sunburn.
Yeah, he's a little burnt on his forehead. He didn't put sunblock on his forehead.
It's a little crispy.
Well, we got a lot going on here. Justine, I think I like yours more because mine is, I took a chunk out of this poor emoji's head and really burnt. A burnt forehead. Let us know in the comments below who won this round. Miss Justine, my lady, will you please pick the next emoji?
All right, let's see what we've got.
These artist hands are just ready to make some art.
Oh no!
What is that?
Do we both have? Is that me? Is that you?
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. My sister printed these out. Molly!
Look how cute!
Okay, I'll make me and you can make you.
Okay,
On
all
your
right.
mark. Get set. Go! go. Go.
Okay, so I'm doing this as accurate as possible.
And it's kind of inverse, so I'm trying to think of it like, here's the legs, and then we're gonna have arms.
Yeah, oh boy, okay.
And she's like balancing, and then there's a head.
This is really hard.
Oh, she's kind of got a tummy top. Oh shoot, she's got a tummy top. I gotta show her belly a little bit.
Ooh, show the belly.
Quick. Oh, no, the belly. Oh, it's too late. Oh yeah, this is looking just like it.
I gave up. I had to go
Perfect.
fast. I had to go fast.
And then I gotta fill in the board.
No, take it back.
No.
I didn't get an eye. I gotta go put an eye.
Okay, go. Wait, you did eyes?
Well, it was a last minute addition. Did yours fall onto the board?
She doesn't even have a face. I forgot.
Oh my gosh, the face. Yours has hair.
And she looks like she just got consumed. She looks like she's in a kayak.
A big wave just sort of, yeah, some things happened, but maybe, oh, I just looked at mine. What has happened?
I'm just gonna be real gentle and go for it. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Oh my gosh, that looks incredible.
That
looks
kind of
amazing.
like her.
I'm actually super impressed.
I don't really know.
Oh no!
Oh no, Justin.
Oh no! Oh God, it's so hot!
No, it's so hot. Don't burn yourself.
I have to.
Oh
Oh
no,
no, my arm!
The face. Oh no, Justine, your face is on the wrong side.
Yes, everything is not right. Oh,
Because
God.
you gotta
Look at my
pipe the
leg.
face first because it's layered. Shoot. Oh no! Oh, be careful. Here, you want this one? You can have two.
I'm just gonna scoot
Here,
it
have
over.
mine. Have mine.
Ah, I wonder how it tastes.
Delicious. It's a good batter.
Oh, that's lovely.
Justine, let's hold these masterpieces up.
I'd rather not.
Okay, so wow, Justine, this poor, Justine Surfer Girl just fell apart. She got hit by a big old wave.
I met up with a shark.
Yep. What's this part?
That was my pants. Those
This
are my
is
shorts.
the pants?
Those are my shorts.
We'll put them over there. Cover it up, lady. This is not a nude beach. Ta-da! Here's our round 3. Let us know in the comments below who won this round. There's not much to say here. This was a little crazy.
I have nothing to say because I'm eating my body.
Next pancake. I'm so excited. What is it gonna be? Oh, a watermelon! It's watermelon. Girl, we can do this.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Set. Decorate.
All right.
Okay, watermelon. Woo. Oh, how many seeds are there?
Oh,
1,
that's
2,
a
3,
great
4,
call.
5, 6, 7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I
What?
think it was bleeding a little bit.
Wait,
I
you
should've
or
waited.
okay? I thought you were
Not
bleeding.
me, the colors of the pancake batter. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. We got this, we got this. Justine, we got this.
We
know
do.
how to
We do.
this.
We're doing very well.
How's yours coming?
I'm unsure.
Justine, that looks really good over there.
Thank you, but I don't know what it's gonna look like when I flip it.
Oh,
perfect time.
Hands up, hands up.
Oh, that does look really
All right,
good.
let's let these cook. I don't know, but just from here, like long distance, it looks okay.
Yeah, like if I go all the way back home to my house and then I look at it, I'll be like, wow, that's
That looks really good.
so good. I'm gonna flip.
Okay, me too.
Oh, I'm shook.
Justine, that is so stinking cute.
It's not bad. That looks really good too. I like how
It's a lot of texture. It's a lot of texture.
Yeah, the texture part is really
Yours
hard
is
to
all
get it.
super smooth. It looked like it all baked at the same time. I love both of these. This may be my favorite one. This is my new favorite pancake so far. I love
this
them.
looks great.
All right, let us know down below who you think won this round. And now,
Is it
final
my turn to
round.
pick? Well, there's only one left, so I'm really being dramatic here.
yes, the drama. Dun dun dun.
Ooh, a little beverage.
Ooh, a tropical drink.
Ooh.
Look at all this detail.
That's a lot of detail.
It's a lot for 1 minute.
Do we start now?
Ready, set,
Go!
set. Okay, decorate.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna draw the cup first. Here we go. It's kind of like a wine glass. I'm gonna ombre the colors here. Oh no, it's baking too fast. I can't really ombre it. Okay, we need a little toothpick coming up here, and we need a little lime wedge here.
Ooh.
And then a cherry.
Oh, I forgot the cherry.
A blue straw coming up like this and like over like this.
This looks like trash. No!
No, oh no. Oh, no, Pancake, no, get in there. Oh no, my cup is spilling all over.
Wow,
it's
I'm
too much
making
batter.
a mess.
No. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yours looks really cute.
You're lying.
Let's flip this sucker. 1, 2, 3. Show me a drink.
Oh, that's impressive. Look at that. You even put like the stick.
Ooh.
Oh boy, I'm afraid to flip mine.
This turned out a little better than I was expecting. Justine, I want to see what it looks like on the other side. You got the layers in there. You got a cherry. You got a lime. You got the straw. I see the blue straw. I see it all.
I'm afraid. Okay, let's see.
Flipping is all about confidence. Just show it.
You stupid
We'll just stick it back together.
thing!
Ooh, Justine, I like your 3D approach there at the top.
Ow!
Here's 2 delicious summer tropical beverages. Let us know in the comments below who you think won this round. And this is our last one, but Justine, I think we should do a bonus round.
Okay, yes, I love bonus.
There's nothing left, but let's do one more for fun.
Okay.
I was really hoping there would be a hot lifeguard emoji.
Oh,
But they
hello.
don't have one. There's no lifeguard emoji, and I'm so sad about it. So let's make our own hot lifeguards.
Okay.
I'm thinking Baywatch. 1 minute on the clock?
We should do maybe a little longer, maybe like 1:30.
Okay,
Because
deal.
I feel
just
like
for
I
this.
want detail in this.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Decorate.
Okay, oh
Okay,
gosh.
I'm gonna start with the iconic tank top. We need like a Baywatch tank.
I don't know what to do.
And I want to draw abs, but at the same time, they have a tank top on. Because that's how you know that
That's
it's
true.
medical. That this is an official lifeguard.
Very important.
And mine's going to have Speedos. Kind of like Euro style. We need tan because lifeguards will be in the sun a lot. Mine's going to be really buff like The Rock. I cannot freehand. Wow. I ran out of space for the legs.
Yeah, I definitely don't know what I've done.
30 seconds? Oh no. There's not enough time. This is not enough time.
It's not.
There's lifeguards also need like I feel like accessories and stuff, and I didn't even get there yet. Okay. There's no face. A little texture. Maybe that
I
will
wanted
help.
to put flip-flops on her, and she doesn't even have a.
Let's do some cute hair.
That's a flip-flop?
So, Justine, where is your lifeguard's face?
I wasn't done yet.
Well, we've got a killer Baywatch bod over here. If you want hot lifeguard, this is hot lifeguard.
Yeah, she was doing a split, and then I didn't get to
Yeah.
her face, but that's her bodacious top half.
Well, I don't even want to tell you what happened over here.
Look at that! Wow.
I really want to see what
leg.
this looks like.
It's definitely gonna.
I have an idea of what this looks like. Oh
no.
The legs came off. That's okay. We'll just cook separately. We'll put her back together.
Yeah, because I think that's what I'm gonna have to do with
I
mine
also
as
don't
well.
know if this is a guy or a girl. I was trying to do a guy, and then oh no!
Wow.
No!
Wow. Wow. Somebody did not put
no, the
sunscreen on their top
The
half.
hair, come back.
No, do you need this?
Yeah. Get over there.
Maybe they got a haircut. I think this is a very solid effort. Yours looks like a sumo wrestler.
And my lifeguard heroically lost their arm, saving a drowning child from a shark attack.
Mine
From a
lost
shark.
her head. So we can do this. Look.
Girl, yes.
Here we go.
This is a great idea. I love what you're doing here. We'll just, yes, here, put this little, we'll just connect it.
It's perfect.
Yes.
I love it.
Look at our hot lifeguards.
Ooh.
They're amazing.
Sunglasses and everything.
All right. right, that does it for the pancake art challenge. Justine, you did so good. What was your favorite pancake?
Okay, but you did really good too. I'd have to say my favorite one is probably the watermelon because I feel like it's the most identifiable one.
It's so cute.
I also like my lifeguard, but it wasn't completed, and
I like your sunshade.
Yes, I think my cool dude is pretty cool.
My favorite, I like watermelon too, but I'm gonna go for my surfer girl.
That's really good.
I mean, is she surfing or is she sitting in a kayak or is she on a blob? But we don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll be reading down below who you think won each round. I am super excited. A big thank you to my girlfriend Justine. Thank you for doing this with me.
Thanks
this
for
was
having
so
me.
much fun.
This is the best first time ever.
Did you love it?
Yes, I want to do this more, and I want to like actually sit down and like really focus on it.
Thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell to receive notifications for every time I post a new video. All right, thanks again, you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And if you'd like to see any other new videos, you can click up here. And Justine, oh, you got it.
Yeah, over here too.
Or over there.
Wait, there are videos everywhere.
There's videos both places.